So let's just use our imagination. Here's a little tip for doing your bikini wax. You want your legs open as if you're having a smear test. Start round the edges, popping your wax into strips down either side of the bikini line. So you want to do your edges first, doing both sides and clearing any hair that runs down either side of the bikini. You want to pull each side from down, going against the hair growth. Do it in small, short, firm pulls, so you don't need to remove all in one go. After these are removed, you then want to go on this part of the lip. You want to remove anything that runs down either side of the lip. Do one at a time. And you're removing this bit and this bit, leaving all of the hair further up on the pubic mound. Now you've removed all of these pieces here, you want to come a little bit further in. You now have somewhere to remove your next strip, as this bit of the area is cleared and has no hair. Doing the same on the other side, leaving yourself just a neater triangle at the top.